Ready to dive into the world of real estate investing with Fundrise? Here's how to get started. Knowledge is power. Take the time to understand Fundrise's offerings, investment plans, and potential risks and rewards. Head over to the Fundrise website and create your account. It's the first step towards unlocking a world of investment opportunities. Select the investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Consider factors like expected returns, investment timeline, and diversification. Once you've chosen your plan, allocate your funds strategically across Fundrise's portfolio. Spread your investment to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Stay vigilant and keep an eye on your investments. Regularly review performance, stay informed about market trends, and adjust your strategy as needed.